Hey, what's up everyone? Big leak alert, Samsung's next-gen foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, just hit the FCC and it's bringing some real heat. So here's what's confirmed. The FCC filings for model SMF 966B lock in the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Yeah, the same beast as the Galaxy S25 series. That means Samsung's ditching Exynos for this foldable, at least globally. If you care about performance and battery life, this is huge. I'm expecting silky smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and none of the usual lag. Let's talk display. Ross Young, who's almost never wrong, says the cover screen is around 6.49 inches, and you're getting that classic 8-inch foldable display on the inside. But here's the kicker: leaks say Samsung's making it even thinner, maybe just 4mm unfolded. That could make it the slimmest fold yet. And we're hearing about a reinforced hinge, thinner bezels, better dust and water resistance, and maybe even a titanium backplate if that ultra rumor pans out. This is not just a spec bump, it's a serious redesign. Now for the cameras. The main shooter, 200 megapixels. Yeah, flagship numbers. Just like the S25 Ultra, there's also a 12MP ultra wide and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. On the selfie side, a 4MP under display camera inside and a 10MP lens on the cover. Battery's still 4400 mAh, same as last year. But with the Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood, I wouldn't be surprised if battery life actually improves. Software-wise, it's launching with Android 16 and One UI 8.0, straight out of the box. And Samsung's promising up to 7 years of updates. That's wild, your foldable's basically future-proof. Launch is coming July 2025, Unpacked event in New York, and yeah, mass production is already rolling. Watch for a Z Flip 7, maybe even a budget FE model, and there are whispers about a tri-fold G Fold later this year. So, Snapdragon 8 Elite, monster cameras, a thinner and tougher design, and long-term updates. Which feature are you most hyped about? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like, subscribe and hit the bell. I've got full coverage coming when Unpacked drops. Catch you in the next one.